look, we got cops coming over the hill.
Yes.
What is going on?
Yes. Look at that guy.
It's pandemonium.
Hell yeah, that thing's just so nasty. Damn. Now that's a Mustang. That's a drift Mustang. Now this is a donk. Look at the big old Forgiatos. He ain't got nothing on the inside. You still must be doing it all. That thing does look good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that does look nasty. White body. You got Eleanor. This does look sexy. Look at that. That thing's nasty. Yep, that is sick. And that's just a kit, guys. That is a Challenger with a Charger kit on it. What's up, bro? Ooh, that is nasty. Oh, that 720? That's the same one they were working on in the video. Yeah. 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 What do you like in Chicago?
I love it.
Where you live at?
Elkhart, Indiana.
He lives in Elkhart with Eric.
Yeah. I know, I want to go back home. We got way better cars. I've never seen so many Porsches in one place before.
What was the last car show you went to out there?
Out there?
Yeah. There ain't none.
No, just back in Indiana, like, Porsches out here are like Corvettes back home.
Yes.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, they're everywhere. So, after seeing all of these nice, beautiful cars, which one's your favorite?
Ooh. The McLaren that was over here, it's not, I don't think it's here anymore.
Oh, the 750S?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Well, you got a sexy Huracan. You got another McLaren here. You got a nice AMG.
I'm not a real big BMW fan, but I'm really digging that M2.
Oh, let's go take a look at it and show them. Now with the body kit. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, with that body kit and that spoiler, that does look nice. It's got perfect fitment on there with the HREs.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Look at the seats though. I like the seats.
Yeah. Now let's go take a look at the seats on the inside. Look at his dash. Dude, you see this dash? Look at all the big old horizontal dash with the Recaro seats.
Heck yeah.
Dude, that thing is nasty. No back seats.
No.
So you know why, right? No kids.
That's right.
No kids.
That's the only way you
I like
afford
the
it.
fender flares with the carbon fiber. Yeah, they did a really sick job on that one. I do miss having my Conquest. Mine was actually a Mitsubishi Stereo there. I miss that thing with all manual transmission.
I wish you had it.
That thing is sick.
Oh, that's one time.
Oh, mud.
What is the sex man?
You out of here?
No, I'm gonna stay to the end. I'm shutting this bitch down.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna stand behind you.
Yeah, we're about to leave too. We're gonna go be fat in the pool somewhere.
Oh, see, that's what I literally want to go do. Like, great minds think alike, bro. I want to go get fat in a pool.
Yes.
I'm gonna do a pool, and then I'm gonna go get in a pool.
Yeah.
He was full earlier. He found the jet.
Yeah. he was making it squirt like, oh. All right, brother.
Two on it.
Yo, yeah, you spit on that thing.
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
You spit on that thing, Eric, in the pool?
Oh, yeah.
Jeez. Yeah. crazy. Very.
You ready?
Yep.
Headphone users beware.
Gas. Rise up. How'd you like that car? That thing is just so nasty.
It's just a Mustang.
It's just a Mustang.
Gee.
Yeah, one of the sickest ones we ever seen.
I know, right?
I never thought I'd see Crystal Mustang. I
No.
never
No.
thought you were
When
going
I
to
saw it, I go, what the fuck is it? What's it go?
I know, he had that Ferrari, the Supra.
And he had the Supra. I love that car. Yeah, boy.
Oh, that's nasty. That is nasty. Oh, yeah. That was nasty.
Hey, Chris don't care about the cops.
Nope. Nope.
All he did was get up to the speed limit real quick.
Yep. That is a nice Beamer. I want to know what happened over there. They got the fire department over there for a Subaru. They're
Okay, I
blocking
know what happened.
traffic.
I know what happened. You got the Subaru over there, right? And he got pulled over, or he pulled over to watch cars, and all they seen was just smoke rolling from the car. They thought it was on fire.
Gaskets.
Vape. He
Yeah.
was vaping.
Yeah, he was vaping. Then you got a cop right over here that is just straight destroying everything.
He is sucking all the fun
This
out.
is horrible.
Sucking all the fun out. Straight hater. Come on now.
Yep, just
Give the
straight
people what
hate.
they want.
Yeah, they're trying to keep everybody safe. That is a nice Guardo.
Yep. Makes me think back to when I got to drive it.
Yep, jealous.
Oh, look. We got cops coming over the hill.
Yes,
What is going on?
yes. Look at that guy.
It's
going over the
pandemonium.
hill.
Pandemonium. He's telling them,
Tell everybody to get out of the street.
Yeah.
Get off the highway.
Go get.
Go get. Go on get.
Go on get.
Like a bunch of ducks.
Yeah. We got more cops coming too.
Yeah. It's a Power Ranger.
What is going on? He's blocking traffic.
Yep.
Straight pandemonium.
Oh yeah. Tickets on tickets on tickets.
Here we go.
I got racks on racks on racks.
What is?
Oh, you got another one coming up back here.
This just.
This is nuts.
What? Why are they blocking the road?
Everybody on the property.
Go in. Everybody get off the property at Sunny Acres.
It gets crazy. I know he's gonna block the traffic.
Police and report him.
I know, right?
Somebody should report him.
So they're telling us to leave, but they're blocking the traffic for us to leave. I think they voted for Biden.
Get out of here, but you can't go nowhere.
Yes.
Thank God! Get out of here! Back up there!
Move that truck.
Move the Ford. You're blocking a public highway. You're gonna cause road rage.
I don't know if they know this is a state highway. They're blocking.
Excuse me, sir. You gotta move your truck. Oh, yay! Yay! Big boy did it! That'd be crazy. That would be crazy. Yeah, get it, get it. Yeah! And what a way to end the video with a nice sexy McLaren RDR8. And I don't know what the hell that is behind it with no hood.
That is a hatchback Civic, baby.
Yeah. Look at that McLaren 720S. Nice RDR8 B10. Sexy.